In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove hyperlinks from cells in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've pasted data from a website or imported a list that's full of clickable blue links and you just want the plain text, this walkthrough will show you the fastest ways to clean it up while keeping your content intact. Start by selecting the cells that contain the hyperlinks. You can click a single cell, drag to select a range, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select non-adjacent cells. If you're unsure which cells have links, look for underlined text or hover your cursor to see if it shows a hand icon. With your selection ready, right-click anywhere in the highlighted area. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click opens the same menu. From the menu that appears, choose Remove Link. This strips the hyperlink from the selected cells while leaving the visible text exactly as it is. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo. When you need to clean up a lot of cells at once, it can be faster to clear formatting. Go to the menu bar and choose Edit, then Clear Formatting. In some versions of Google Sheets, you may find Clear Formatting under the Format menu instead. This approach removes the hyperlink styling and the link itself, but be aware it also resets other formatting, like bold, colors, and fonts. If you rely on specific formatting, consider copying those styles back afterward. If your links come from formulas, such as the hyperlink function or imported data that automatically generates links, you'll want to convert the results to plain text values. Otherwise, the links will reappear every time the sheet recalculates. To do that, select the cells, copy them, then right-click and choose Paste Special, followed by Values Only. Keyboard fans can copy with Ctrl+C or Command+C, then paste values with Ctrl+Shift+V or Command+Shift+V. This keeps the text you see and removes the underlying link and formula. Finally, verify your results. Hover over a few cleaned cells to confirm the cursor no longer turns into a hand and that there's no link preview. Check the formula bar. You should see plain text instead of a formula if you converted values. If any links remain, repeat the appropriate method for those cells. That's it. Select and remove links, clear formatting for large batches, convert formula-driven links to values, and double-check your sheet so your data stays readable and link-free.